Hello guys, welcome to TechBrain. My name is Sam, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a business email to your Outlook app. So first of all, we're gonna go to the Outlook app. That's right here. You open it, then you want to press on the profile icon. Now you tap on the settings. As you can see at the general options, you can see accounts. You press on accounts, and here you can add an existing business account or create a new account. So you press on add account, then you could choose OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive or Box, or you press email account. You press on that. Here you enter your account. So I will make an example mail add an account. Example. So right now I don't have any existing business email. So as you can see, this is not working, but this is the way to add a business email to the Outlook app. If you have any further questions about Outlook, please let me know down below in the comments. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.